Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you one of the best heavy-duty 20 amp surge protector power strips on the market and discuss the 5 key features of this surge protector power strip made by the company CCCEI. Key feature 1. This surge protector power strip is made of ABS fireproof material with an aluminum casing, which means it is flame retardant to resist ignition, slow flame spread, and self-extinguishing, making this power surge protector ideal for automotive, electronics, computers, commercial or home appliances, and workshops. Key feature 2. The cord is a 12 gauge 6-foot heavy duty cord. You can purchase this power strip with a cord from 4 feet up to 25 feet. You can run a lot of equipment simultaneously for long periods of time, and the cord will not overheat. The 12 gauge cord has a reset and test button located on the cord. The maximum load is 20 amps, 125 volts, and 2500 watts. This comes with a standard 3-prong 515 plug electrical connector. The round prong connects the device's metal casing to a grounding wire, making it essential for high power and appliances. The cable remains cool even when 8 devices are running at full capacity simultaneously. Key feature number 3. The power strip has a built-in 20 amp surge board circuit breaker up to 4800 joules of surge protection to safeguard your devices, which prevents overheating and short-circuiting high power tools, workshop machinery, appliances, home large entertainment systems, and computers. For example, a standard household refrigerator uses between 300 and 800 watts while running. Large home theater systems generally consume between 100 and 1000 watts. This surge protector can handle up to 2500 watts, 125 volts, and 20 amps. Key feature 4. This power strip has 8 outlets. It has a 520 prong receptacle outlet and a 620 prong receptacle outlet used for higher power and heavy duty power inputs like appliances, industrial equipment, and power tools. Also, it has a wall mount design to mount to a wall or surface. It comes with screws to mount the power strip. And last, key feature 5. The surge protector has a reset button, which is a manual circuit breaker switch designed to restore power after the unit has tripped due to an electrical overload or short circuit. Also, there is an on and off rocker switch to turn the surge protector on and off. The cost for this surge protector on Amazon is $70. I do hope this video discussing the 5 features of this heavy-duty surge protector power strip was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.